Samsung continues to redefine the smartphone landscape with the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, its latest masterpiece in foldable technology. This groundbreaking device represents a remarkable leap forward, integrating unmatched power, versatility, and sophistication. In this exclusive first look, we'll explore the exciting features and innovations that set the Galaxy Z Fold 7 apart from its predecessors and the competition, demonstrating why it's poised to be a leader in the foldable market. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 boasts an expansive, vibrant display that surpasses the Z Fold 6 in both size and brightness. The main screen is designed for those who value an immersive viewing experience, whether for multitasking, gaming, or enjoying multimedia content. The foldable design allows users to seamlessly switch between a compact smartphone mode and a spacious tablet mode, offering unparalleled flexibility that enhances productivity and entertainment. With enhanced brightness levels, users can expect improved visibility in various lighting conditions, making it an ideal companion for outdoor activities or low-light environments. The Super AMOLED technology employed in the Z Fold 7 ensures rich colors and deep contrasts, making every visual experience a true spectacle, whether you're running resource-intensive applications, playing graphics-heavy games, or simply browsing the internet. The Z Fold 7 delivers exceptional speed and responsiveness. Users can seamlessly navigate between tasks without any lag, allowing for a smooth and efficient multitasking experience. One of the standout enhancements in the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is its battery life. Equipped with a larger, more efficient battery, this device provides extended usage without the hassle of frequent recharging. The refined design of the Z Fold 7 exudes sophistication. With a sleek, premium build quality and an array of stylish color options, this device not only performs well, but looks good doing it. Samsung has also incorporated advanced durability features, including enhanced materials that protect the device from accidental drops and scratches, ensuring that your investment stands the test of time. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is more than just a smartphone. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. With its innovative design, powerful performance, and impressive battery life, Samsung is setting a new standard for foldable devices. As the brand continues to push the limits of what's possible, the future of foldable phones appears incredibly promising. One of the most exciting features of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the integration of under-display camera technology. This revolutionary innovation eliminates visible camera cutouts on both the internal and cover displays, resulting in a cleaner and more immersive user interface. The rear camera system includes 3 high-resolution sensors. The primary 50MP camera excels in low-light conditions, delivering exceptional detail and dynamic range. The 12MP ultra-wide lens is perfect for expansive landscapes and group shots, while the 10MP telephoto lens provides impressive optical zoom capabilities, enabling users to get closer to distant subjects without sacrificing image quality. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 runs on Samsung's latest One UI, optimized for large, foldable displays. The software interface has been designed to maximize productivity and ease of use, offering features that leverage the unique capabilities of the device. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is equipped with advanced connectivity options, including support for 5G networks, ensuring that users can enjoy lightning-fast internet speeds for streaming, gaming, and browsing. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 represents a monumental step forward in the evolution of foldable smartphones. With its stunning display, powerful performance, innovative camera technology, and commitment to sustainability, this device is poised to set new standards in the smartphone market. Stay tuned for more updates, reviews, and insights as we dive deeper into the features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and discover why it's the ultimate device for those who want the best of both worlds: smartphone convenience and tablet functionality.